guys, and welcome into Lemons to Lemonade. My name's Kara, and we're a furniture flipping family located in the heart of Texas. I'm up early staging some pieces to sell for this weekend, but I thought I'd jump on really quick and do my intro video to show you how we broke apart a 5-piece bedroom set that we bought at an estate sale for the bargain price of $32.
Nope. It was for $52, not $32. Sorry, folks. I did mention that I got up early, right? Okay, carry on.
That was for the entire set. I don't know if somebody just didn't see the value in this thing or they were just in a hurry to get rid of it, but we scored it for a pretty great price. And then I tore it all apart instead of selling it as a bedroom set just to see if we could make more money that way. And so I want to walk you guys through it piece by piece to show you what we did, what we listed each piece for, and what I ended up selling them for. And then at the end, we'll show you the grand profit that we made on all of them. I think we did really well. I definitely think we made more than I would have made if we kept it together as a set. So hope you guys enjoy, and hopefully this gives you some ideas if you're looking into getting into furniture flipping yourself. So here we go.
Okay, so here's the original ad that they had listed on Facebook Marketplace advertising the estate sale. This was part of the pictures that they had posted. And when I saw the bedroom suite, I knew that we had to at least go check it out because it had so many pieces and it was listed for only $52. So we headed right on over there to see if I could pick it up. And when we got there, it was still available, so I knew I just had to have it. We bought this one back in December, so this is way before I had dreams of starting a YouTube channel. So I don't have any of the how-tos on how we flipped all of this. So I've just got a bunch of pictures from when I was working on it and from when I staged it. We used the color Clary Sage by Sherwin-Williams and chalk paint for this one. It turned out a lot lighter than the paint chip looked, but it still looked really nice in person. We finished the dresser first, and I ended up just posting a coming soon ad for it right on my Facebook business page. It sold right off of that coming soon ad. I didn't even have to list it on Facebook Marketplace. If I'm doing my math right, I've got 5 pieces of bedroom furniture for the bargain price of $52. That puts me in at $10.40 per piece of furniture. The dresser sold for $370. So I'm already up a whole bunch of money from what my original investment is, and I still have 4 more pieces to flip. So let me show you how those turned out. Up next was the bed frame. You see it hiding back there? Yep, that one. It was a king-size mid-century modern bed frame that we just painted with black chalk paint and put on lots of coats of polyurethane so it would have plenty of staying power. And as you can see, my dog wanted to get in the staging pictures that day, so I had to get her out of the way for the perfect shot. I did end up negotiating a little bit on the end for the bed frame because this was the only piece it came with. There was no footboard or anything extra to put the bed together. But we sold the bed frame for $175, and then the person needed it delivered, so we were able to tack on a little bit extra for the delivery fee. Oh yes, here's the dresser in its original glory. You can see it came with 2 mirrors originally. We only got one of them, that was all that was left. And I ended up painting it in the same Clary Sage that we did the dresser in, and I sold it for $40. Last up, I have the 2 adorable mid-century modern nightstands. I just finished a video on these last week of how we flipped these, so if you're interested, follow this card link and it'll take you to show you that video on what we ended up doing with these. But I ended up painting them in Sea Serpent, a color by Sherwin-Williams, in their chalk paint, and they looked absolutely gorgeous at the end.
And there you have it, guys. A $52 furniture set buy turned into over $800 worth of profit. I estimate I could have gotten maybe around $500 if I listed the set separately on Facebook Marketplace. I'm not really sure though, because that beige color was really dated, and then the gold on it really needed some updating. I don't know if unless you flipped furniture or did something like that, if you'd really see the details that were there on that piece. So, but all in all, I love that we did them differently. I love that they each had their own theme. All of them sold within a matter of hours when we listed them on Facebook Marketplace. So that meant that other people really liked them too. So that was great and encouraging. So let me know if this was helpful for you guys, if it gave you some ideas on what to do with your own bedroom pieces. And as always, your likes, comments, and subscribes go a long way to keep me motivated to keep bringing you new material each week. And thank you so much for your support so far. Tune in next week. I've got another MCM furniture flip for you and that we're working on right now. So excited to see you again. Thanks so much. Bye.